Jamaican stories that will have you wondering why people so wicked. Love and trust. Full story. There was a beautiful young woman who lived in a popular inner city in Jamaica. Let's call her Detty. She was going through a lot of rough times with her baby father and his cheating ways, so she left him. One day, she met a really handsome light-skinned man. Let's call him Brown Man, and they fell for each other immediately. Brown Man didn't come from the inner city where she lived, but he always visited her and made sure she and her babies were okay. One night, Detty ended up sleeping back with her baby father behind Brown Man's back. After she slept with her baby father with no protection, she went and also slept with Brown Man. Brown Man was a very handsome guy, and a lot of women where she lived loved him. They talked every day that even though Detty was a beautiful girl herself, she didn't deserve to have Brown Man. Detty began to lose rapid weight. She felt sick and thought she had a stomach bug. The more sick she got, the more she blamed it on the flu or something else. Someone pinched Brown Man, pulled him to the side and whispered to him to go get tested, because rumor has it that Detty has the big A and that she caught it from her baby father. Brown Man quickly shut the person down, claiming that he won't take no test because Detty doesn't have the big A and she would never do that to him. He asked Detty if she had the big A and she denied it, reassuring him that is him she loved and would never do that. Shortly after, he also started to lose weight rapidly. He looked sick. The more people urged him to get himself checked out, the more he refused, stating that Detty would never do that to him. On the brink of her demise, in her weakest, most sick and vulnerable state, Detty fled to St. Mary and started to live on the streets. She eventually passed away on the side of a dark, lonely road. Brown Man was still in denial. Though unable to find Detty, he still denied that she would ever do that to him. He denied having the big A until he took his very last breath.
Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube. Link in bio.